Hello all. This is my presentation for EDPC 615 for the subject of metacognition and metacognitive strategies. Metacognition and metacognitive strategies. Metacognition, it is when we refer to metacognition, we refer to on how to make an individual metacognitively aware in order to ensure that the individual has learned how to learn. Metacognition is the awareness and control of someone's thought process. It involves thinking about thinking and managing cognitive processes. Metacognition plays a crucial role in learning and decision making, of course. So, in this little sketch, we see how we learn about metacognition. It means I think how about my thinking. I'm thinking, I'm noticing, I'm wondering, I'm seeing, I'm feeling. All this is metacognition. Now, we know that metacognition is very important because it has to do with enhanced learning. Metacognition helps in effective information processing and memory. It helps in problem solving because it improves our critical thinking and problem solving abilities and self-regulation. It leads to better self-regulation of someone's behavior and emotions. The components of metacognition are metacognitive knowledge, which is the understanding of someone's cognitive abilities and processes. Here, we have declarative knowledge, which is, let's say, knowing what you know. For example, I'm good at science or I'm good at math. We have the procedural knowledge, which is understanding how you know. For example, I can solve a math problem step by step. We also have the conditional knowledge, which is recognizing when and why to use specific strategies. For example, I should use this method for complex math problems. Okay. Now, the metacognitive control strategies are strategies that we use to regulate thinking and learning. And here we are referring to planning, okay? Planning is setting the goals and creating a roadmap for learning or problem solving. When it comes to monitoring, monitoring is keeping track of your progress and understanding if you are on the right track. And evaluating has to do with assessing the effectiveness of your strategies and making adjustments if needed. Does this work? Does that work? What adjustments we need to do? So it's all about those are the phases of metacognition, and it revolves around reflection. Now, when it comes to metacognitive strategies, we have metacognitive strategies in action, for example, which is the example, solving a complex math problem, planning, break the problem into smaller steps, monitoring, check progress at each step, evaluating, reflect on the solution, and revise, adjust if necessary. We have metacognitive strategies in learning. Uh, Here we're referring to active reading. For example, preview, question, summarize, reflect on what you read. Note taking. This is important. You organize and you synthesize information for better retention. Test taking. You manage the time and you stay calm during exams. That's very important as well. Metacognition, it's definitely beneficial because it improves learning outcomes. It leads us on better decision making. It increases self-awareness and self-regulation, and also it gives us a lifelong learning and adaptability. Now, teaching metacognition is important as well. We as educators can promote metacognitive development in our students. We can encourage self-reflection and the use of metacognitive strategies. And we can definitely provide opportunities for our students to practice and develop metacognition. So, as a concluding note, I would say that metacognition is the key to unlocking the potential of human mind. And using metacognitive strategies, we can become more effective learners and problem solvers and decision makers. We can teach that to our students as well. Thank you.